My name is Ron. I also go by Ronist, like you can see behind me maybe. It's a superfluous version of myself I try to be at work. I used to be trained in industrial design only. My name is Ron van der Ouweland. I'm an Imagineer. I'm also an industrial designer and I'm a mountaineer. Imagineering was interesting for me. I think it's because it gave me a theoretical background of why creativity is relevant for companies, so that I could do creative sessions with companies instead of with kids. And in the end I learned that, well, even though I could do that better now, yeah, I'm applying it in a different way by translating the core values in tangible objects. Alright, so right now I'm actually in the middle of a project that for me is the most close to Imagineering as far as projects I've done since graduation. It's for my dad's company. It's a transportation company in the south of Holland. It's called Expeditie. And I've worked there from this big, always in a different way, like first just cleaning and then fixing the cars and then getting my license and driving the van and then the trucks. Now I'm sort of involved as a creative consultant for the company. Translating a company's core value into a tangible object that employees get in touch with literally every day, so that it strengthens that core value in their DNA. In the interview to the drivers or to the employees, like, change the logo in a way that it represents more the way we work together here. One of them added this line "since 1904" to the logo, and that made it click for me. Like, yeah, that's definitely adding something to what kind of company this is. But it's that I added a small detail to the logo that says how long the company exists. It's since 1904. I created a map of Expeditie, which shows core values in words related to cities and seas. And I did some corporate poetry that for me was a nice summary of the company. But I would first have to define my field. I would say, well, it's four-dimensional design, I guess. But if I look at it very concrete, then it's, let's say, company gifts. Then I think the difference is that I try to create a product that really has a function and is not just a fun thing to have. So that it enables people to tell a story about their organization and not just be a gadget. So I really try to have a long-lasting impact. Designers would develop a lamp. This is my lamp, but I develop a set, a kit, and then I say, well, I made this with it, what can you make with it? So I guess that would